Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the fabric selector switch on a Speed Queen dryer that only provides low heat when it's set to regular heat. The fabric selector switch is a small device that lets you choose the drying temperature for your laundry. You might need to change out this part if failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our latest repair guides. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today we'll need a multimeter, a 1/4 inch nut driver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember to keep safety first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off, unless you're testing for live voltage. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to check is the fabric selector switch. To access it, we're taking our 1/4 inch nut driver and removing the screws that hold the console to the top panel. While we're at it, let's go ahead and make sure the switch is set to regular heat. Then we can rotate the console forward. We're going to take our multimeter and set it to continuity mode, which looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. Now we're going to remove the wire from terminal 1 and use the meter probes to test from terminal 1 to terminal L1. If you have continuity like we see here, then the fabric selector switch has failed and would need to be replaced. If there's no continuity, then something else is preventing the dryer from heating properly. If you found out that your dryer has a faulty fabric selector switch, let's replace it together. First, we need to remove the knob from the selector switch. Then we can disconnect the wires from the switch, making note of where they go for the reinstall. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver and use it to lift up on the locking tab of the fabric selector switch. Once the tab has been lifted, we can rotate the switch and pull it out. You can see the tabs here. Here's the old fabric selector switch and here's a new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can order one at AppliancePartsPros.com. We need to insert the new switch into the console and rotate it to lock it in place. Then switch the wires over to the new part. Once the new fabric selector switch is secured and the wires are attached, we're going to rotate the console back in place and secure it with the 1/4 inch screws we removed earlier. Then we can place the knob on the new switch and we're done. Don't forget to plug your dryer back in or turn that breaker back on. You made it! Great job and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new fabric selector switch yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Are you still there? Yeah, you behind the screen. Hey, if you've stuck around this long, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support and we'll see you next time.